Thailand. Got to order room service in real quick. We're quarantining for 24 hours. This is just fresh COVID tests. Cool little room. The menu, like everything on the menu, is like $3. Everything is so cheap here. I love it already. And then this is our balcony out here. Pretty cool view. Checked out of our hotel about what, 8 hours late?
Yeah, we accidentally slept in until like 5:30 at night. We were supposed to check out the latest at like 10 a.m. and they did not care.
Yeah, no extra charge or anything. I love it here. So now in a taxi headed to a hostel that we're gonna stay in for about 3 nights. It's right downtown near everything that we want to go see. So.
And it's like for backpackers apparently, so it should be really cool.
Yeah, it's like made for like people like us. So it's definitely exciting. I love Thailand. I feel a heart attack coming, so
You're a mess.
shortly I'll be shoving her down this flight of stairs. It goes down a story. It's basically a ladder. This is not a staircase.
I love how it's painted though.
It's like straight up.
Look, it's like dark red and goes all the way up like the sunset.
Yeah, it goes all the way up, that's for sure. All the stairs here like that. It's crazy. But this place has like such cool stuff. What the heck?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! It's like a 2-year-old up there.
เย็นๆครับเสียแต่มันไม่ใช่ใครแล้วแม่มันอยู่ลูกอีกคนนี่ชุดแบบนี้แม่เขาเป็นตัวต่อนะเป็นคนเติมสารต่อไปเสือตื่นหลังนะครับงงๆรับจับชุดมาแบบนี้ค่อยๆรับใจเย็นๆกันเอาให้เยอะเอาเลยเอาเลยโอ้โหบารมีขององค์เจ้าพ่อหนูน้ำนุ่มตบมือใจเย็นๆกันเอาแล้วสายไปแล้วลูกมาไปแล้วครับมาแบบนี้สาธุไปดูแล้วเอาแล้วโอ้โหใครก็บอกอย่าต้องดูสังเกตไปก็บอกนี่แล้วก็ต ลายตีผ่านไปแบบนี้วันนี้ค่อยๆแล้วถอดออกมาแบบนี้ครับดึงกันไปหลงกันแล้วครับดูครับเพราะมัน3 คนเอาก็สลับกันมาแล้วแล้วคุณผู้ชม
this one and the tom yum soup. Have you decided yet?
No.
Here at Mr. Lex Diner. And him, yup, thank you. This looks so good. There we go.
Yeah.
Till 1 a.m. coming in clutch.
Yeah, that does look really good. I think I just had that though.
There we go.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Wow. All right, morning number one out of quarantine.
What'd you say?
I said morning number one out of quarantine, but
Yes.
we're just gonna wander around on the bikes for a while. We have like 4 hours to just go wherever we want. So I'm gonna check it out and see what trouble we can get into. All right. I think Katie should get an award for how slow of a cyclist she is. Ashley, can you like comment on this? Because you said that you found this out in Mexico.
No.
You never warned me?
I said Ashley was the biggest bike ride maniac I've ever met. But
Yeah, probably for somebody that moves at the speed of a snail, everybody's a maniac. Anyway, that's not the point. Well, bam. This is the point. We're just driving down the street, cruising along. We cross over this bridge,
show him in here.
and what an awesome
Wow.
temple. Like, this is so cool. The grounds are so well kept. It is beautiful.
Let's see if we can go get in.
All right, cool. We'll let y'all know if we can get in. This whole like place is just, it's so green that the birds everywhere just non-stop chirp. This is one of the Buddhist temples, and like each one of these like alcoves has a different statue and like different position of Buddha, like talking about different qualities, like forbidden hostilities between relatives, and like that's the one that stick out, but there are a lot of different ones.
The 5 like key sins in Buddhism is killing, stealing, sexual misconduct, lying, and drinking or doing drugs.
There you go. Oh, what a beautiful place. Oh, poor kitty cat. What happened? You okay? I'm sorry, what happened? Poor thing. Alright, one of the things that America should do are timers for their green lights. It tells you how many seconds until you can go. Okay, that's a little blurry, but like 45 seconds till it'll be green next. That'd be so handy.
So smart.
So smart. So cool. This is like the Victory Monument of what? I don't know. I just know it's the Victory Monument. All right, for $1.50, got a big plate of pad thai, and then a coconut
Banana smoothie.
and I got a pineapple one on the way. I love it here. This smells so good. Wow. Watch out, kitty cat. Stick down here long enough. Stick down here long enough and you might get eaten.
What?
What?
Franklin.
What happened? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Alright, well, it was so good I had to get some more from a different place. So, let's try a different kind. I love the decorations here. This stuff is so cool. Alright, just like everywhere else, let's try and get in.
Bugs in there. It's like a tiny bee. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so tiny.
They're pollinating. That's what bugs do.
Did you get a close up of this one?
I did get a close up of that one.
Gorgeous. And it's little water in here. Ow! Did you get stung?
Get attacked. Alright, we made it in. Let's check this place out. Alright, we penetrated the perimeter. Now, wanted to find out. I think this is supposed to be the biggest Buddha in Thailand. So, are we excited? Okay,
Exciting
we're not
doesn't-
excited.
I was just gonna say, exciting doesn't. What's the phrase?
Begin to describe
Begin to describe what I'm feeling.
it. Oh boy. She has no idea it's a video, but
Oh. These trees are so cool.
they're really cool. They look burnt. So dope.
Look at this. Looks like a pom-pom.
Yeah, it's a cheerleader tree. Go Buddha. B-U-D-D-H-A. Buddha. What's up? There's another one here. There's one. There's two. I love it here. I do have to take videos.
Okay, but
Look,
that
this
cat
one so cute.
is like gorgeous. He's gonna be like the main cat of this whole thing.
Walking down this corridor. Would you like to use the bathroom? Good, because there's a cat there. Black cat, brown, orange, and other colors cat. A very large. This is like the size of Echo. That's a big cat.
video later of that whole thing and you don't have any room for it.
Another kitty cat that is different than the last black one I showed you. It's a kitten. A little tiny kitten. Hi, kitty. This one was trying to hide from me. Oh, I found ya. Another black cat, different than the last two I showed you. And that's another one. As you can obviously see, that's also different. There's one kitty here, and there's a lot inside there. You can't really see. Hi, kitty. So apparently there's a protest tonight, this evening, for democracy. Like they're pushing for democracy because right now it's like a king system, like kind of like dictatorial, I think. And all the military's out. Like we're seeing so much military out, and they're stringing up razor wire and stuff to keep people out. Like this stuff is insane. Wow. Yeah, they stuck like some shipping containers right here and putting up razor wire like right in front of the palace.
You want to bike around the palace or?
Yeah, for sure. Well, never seen razor wire up close. This is exciting. I feel like if I touch it though, I'm gonna like get shot by like some like secret sniper or something. It's kind of like some movie type stuff. Just a super cool garden. So much like ornate stuff. Everything out here is so pristine and pristine isn't the right word. Crazy well designed.
I thought that thing was really cool.
A rock hut. All this stuff in caves, like this is my favorite thing. Rock hut. So the really cool place that we just walked into because we thought it was like super dope. And the rock hut that she really liked is actually a burial tomb, and that was a cemetery. So
I knew I liked it for a reason. I gravitate towards skulls.
we just like walked in and we were like, there were people at the entrance like looking at us so weird, like what are y'all doing? And that's because we didn't know it was a cemetery. Look at all the protest police. They're everywhere. Decided to try some street food. We recognized the word waffle, so we went. We got pumpkin waffle, and it tastes how it sounds, really weird, but it's not the worst thing I've ever had, so not bad. Having fun?
Oh yeah. How's that look?
It's pretty good. There we go. There we go.
It's a fun little way to taxi.
Hopefully we don't die. Oh gosh.
Okay, can I get a scorpion and a cricket? One, and then one. I literally wanted to come to Asia so I could eat a cricket on a stick. And now I'm gonna have a scorpion too because my mom said to have a scorpion, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
Come on.
There's hairs on it. Do I eat all of it? Okay, can I get a cricket too?
Go ahead.
The whole
You're
thing.
insane. The hell no.
Wait, what about this part?
Eat everything.
This too?
Like just in one bite.
You eat the stinger too?
I don't know what is it.
Yeah, ask him.
พี่ครับกินอันนี้ด้วยได้
You
ไหม
eat the stinger
เด็ด
too?
ออกก็ได้ครับกินก็ได้ครับระวังมันทิ่มคอเขาบอกเขาหน่อย So you can just like eat it or throw it. It's up to you.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You're the only one to do this.
Oh, not bad.
You're disgusting.
That's not bad.
You're really close to the camera.
I gotta work my way
You're
up to
really
this
close
one.
the camera. Come on. We're all waiting on you.
Wow. You hear that?
Yeah. Crunchy?
Huh?
Crunchy? How is it? How do you like it?
Just tastes crunchy. The cricket had some guts in it. That one was a little weird. But I feel like I could survive in the wild.
Oh my god. Pretty good.
It's their version of a pancake. Really hot.
It's called a crispy pancake. It's different, but kind of like a street taco, but not really. It's like sweet.
No, it's sour. I mean, spicy.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Let me get a bite.
It's good though. Charity.
Wilbur. All right. Yeah, there's a coconut shell with coconut shavings. Coconut ice cream.
Jelly
Coconut jelly. They're just a coconut.
in a coconut.
Yeah, in a coconut.
It's actually really good.
It is?
Yeah.
Sweet. Can't wait to try some. Oh yeah. Yeah. All right. After a rough night's sleep.
This is the bridge we're supposed to see at night.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll need to come back. Gotta take a boat to a market. But this is the river that I have zero intentions of swimming in. Does not look like fun.
Alright, here's 50 baht per person.
Okay. Well, Katie's in heaven currently. All of this, like this whole like warehouse thing is a whole other section of the market. And it's all like name brand stuff for so cheap. Like all those, like a lot of those are like Nike and Under Armour. And it's one for 60 baht. 60 baht is 6 times 3 is $1.80. So all of those for $1.80. It's insane. And they all have the tags on them. Alright, so this is the Thai hospital. Nobody's sick, but our friend is donating blood, so we're just like kind of exploring. Talk to him.
So, one of the things that I thought was so cool is this entire inside part is outside. Like, there's not a ceiling. And it's a whole garden, so like for the patients, if they wanted to like get outside without going outside, they have this entire area. We'll show you in a second, we're almost there. And just for like family that are visiting people or whatever, that has to be so nice and relaxing to be outdoors. And they have stores, like jewelry stores and all kinds of stuff. I just thought it was so pretty.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Wow.
And
It's like a courtyard park.
the people are so nice that when I was walking in here, I couldn't find the bathroom. And so I went up to this guy and I was like, any English? And he was like, a little bit. I was like, I'm trying to find a bathroom, and he walked me all the way to the bathroom, like, and it took 5 minutes to get there.
Wow. So beautiful. And of course the king. But this place is awesome. Oh, they're doing like a news broadcast or something right there.
They do have a bunch of shrines for the king, too.
Yeah.
Like these giant things.
Yeah, I saw that. Alright, we're in the Bobe market. And it's literally like imagine a hotel with no rooms, or like all the rooms are open and nothing but just shops everywhere. It's nuts, and everything is so cheap. Kitty's along for the ride. That is so funny. I found out that it's a coal. They're taking coal to some of the Thai islands, like to help for like to power them and stuff. Just a random cat on the boat. That was funny. All right, so we head to the long market. Decided to get some food, and
It's an attempt at a burger.
this food place had burgers, so we were like, let's see what's up with the burgers. Uh-oh. Gonna try a bite. What do we think?
There's a lot of sauce on it. It's not bad. It's so different, though.
Just different?
I just taste a lot of sauce.
Alright, well, not bad. Way to go, Thailand. Hey. Pretty cool. It's a catfish feeding frenzy. These things are huge. That's not a paper plate, that's a big serving bowl.